Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it's gonna be all about the process, the step of me making my birthday dress. So if you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Or hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and do well to share. So this is just a sketch I made of my birthday dress. It's actually a jumpsuit, and I'm just playing around with the sketch. So I'm checking out if I'm gonna do this line or this pocket, but basically it should look like this. Now I've gone ahead to draft out my pants, and you can see what it looks like. It looks shapeless. Don't mind this drawing here. My sister was trying to draw the map of her village. So this is basically how it looks. So I was trying to get my sister to hold the camera for me, but you can't trust these people. Anyway, I've gone ahead to cut it out, and this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to go ahead to use my front piece to cut out my back piece. And as you can see, I added the necessary adjustment of 3 inches. Here is 1.5, and I went ahead to extend it a bit downwards. So this is basically what it looks like, and I'm gonna cut it out now. It's all done. I've gone ahead to cut it out off camera, of course, and this is what my upper bodice is looking like. I've gone ahead to draft it off camera, pardon me. So this is basically what I'll be using to get my jumpsuit. I've gone ahead to draft the neck. I was a bit confused there if I should do a V-neck or a boat neck or a U-neck, but this is what I went with, and let's see how it turns out. I also went with a princess dart sort of look, and that's basically it. So if you noticed, my front is a bit longer. It's not a bit, it's very long than it's longer than my back, and that's because I have this sort of design where my front is extending. There's like a V shape, so I need extra for the front and less for the back. That explains it. So I'll just go ahead to cross check this to see if it rhymes, and it does. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna cut out this pattern, label it, as you can see, number 1, number 2, just to know my piece, and I'll cut it out on my fabric. So this is what my pattern looks like. I've gone ahead to cut it out, and I'll just go ahead off camera, of course, to join it. I apologize. So for my front pants pattern, I've gone ahead to give it this line, this straight line design, and this is how it looks, and this is how I achieved it. I went ahead, folded it into 2 equal parts, and just stitched it down by a tiny weeny bit. Now when you open it up, this is how it looks. I did this for the both side of my front pattern, and I'm gonna have to join my pants, and my top is just remaining joining both parties together. So I've gone ahead to weave, and this is how my pants are looking like. Beautiful, of course. And this is how the back is looking like. Wait, let me turn it around for you. I'm loving the inside though. Maybe I should have used the inside, but I still like the outside, sure. So this is how it looks like, and this is how the back looks like. I'm gonna have to join my jean pocket. If you have jeans, if you know jeans, this is how the pocket looks like, and that's what I just went ahead to put. I'm loving every bit of this jumpsuit. Okay, so this is the leg. I was not able to get how big it was because I was filming it myself, for which I apologize. Now I've gone ahead to join my bra cup. I just pinned it down because there's a pattern I want to use in joining it. I don't want to wear this dress with a bra. I don't want those bra straps and whatever. I want a seamless classic look. So I've gone ahead to pin my bra cup, and I will be top stitching it. I think the top stitch is what is going to hold it to the dress. So that's what I'm basically going to do off camera, and I'll be back. So I'll go ahead to couple every part of this jumpsuit, and this is how it looks like. My sleeves are on, the zip is on, and it is giving pepper them gang, whatever. So I'm actually gonna use this jumpsuit for a birthday photo shoot, for my birthday photo shoot. And I wanted extra. It looks plain though beautiful, but I wanted extra. So I got this piece of fabric, this piece of Ankara, that I'll be using to create an underbust corset. And I guess it's just going to basically look like this. To also give me a snatched look, and I'll add some to the hem of my jumpsuit. And I'll be slaying it. I must slay this, okay? So that's what's up. Now this is the final look. Hope I slayed the look. And thanks for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment below. Your comments matter, and enjoy. See you next time. Bye.